Educational shape. Triangle shape. Triangle shape. This is triangle shape. Next one is heart shape. Heart shape. Heart shape. Star shape. Star shape. Star shape. Trapezoid shape. Trapezoid shape. Cross shape. Cross shape. Cross shape. Circle shape. Circle shape. Now color it. Yellow color, triangle shape. Red color, heart shape. Orange color, star shape. Green color, trapezoid shape. Blue color, cross shape. Purple color, circle shape. Okay, kid. Bye.